You showing me how you use a toy? Play a game?
Cat. Dog.
Duck.
Dog.
Duck.
Very good. You're very smart. What's the dog say? Roof. Did you say roof? And there's a kitty.
Okay.
What's that? The chicken?
Chicken. Hippo.
Ah, that's your elephant. That's a good one.
Elephant. Elephant. Elephant.
Oh my goodness. You're funny.
Cow. Fox.
Oh, you going back to the home page? What do you want to play? What game is that? It's upside down.
Okay.
And turn it over. What is it?
Okay.
What game is it?
Okay.
You don't want it? Should I pick a game? Let's see.
Okay.
Let's see. You're such a funny guy. Let's see. How about the monkey game? Monkey. There it is. You play that game? Hold on, it's loading.
Monkey preschool lunchbox. That starts with the letter L. A. Apple. Apple. O. Orange. Orange.
What's the other one?
Orange. Orange. O. Orange. Orange.
Orange. Orange.
Can you print the one with the letter L? There you go.
Well done.
You did it.
Oh no, this monkey's pineapple broke into pieces. Can you put it back together?
That's a tough one. Can you do that? Almost. Pull it over there. Can I help you? You put that one there. Yeah. Oh, no knife. And that one right there. That one's a tough one.
You did it! One of these fruits is not the same. Touch the one that's different.
This one's different. There you go.
You did it! Pick a sticker.
Can you pick a sticker? There you go. Drag it up on there. Yeah, that was good. It's a little dump truck.
This monkey wants 2 raspberries.
Can you count to 2?
1, 2 raspberries.
Good job.
Way to go! Touch all the yellow fruit.
Wait.
Purple, purple, yellow, green, green, purple, 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 green, green, red, 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 green, green, green.
Where's the yellow one?
Purple, purple, orange, orange, purple,
Where's the yellow?
purple, purple,
Apple.
Yeah. Yellow.
red, red,
Where's the yellow lemon?
red, red, green,
Look, right here. Can you press that one?
yellow.
There you go. Yellow.
Great job!
Good job.
This monkey wants 2 of each kind of fruit. Can you match the fruit? Plum. Raspberry. Plum. Melon. Orange. Melon. Raspberry. Plum. Raspberry. Melon. Orange.
You gotta find the
Raspberry.
key.
Orange. Orange. Plum. Melon. 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 Raspberry.
The one up here? Nope. How about the one right here?
Raspberry.
And then this one.
Raspberry.
What's left? The other one. Pick the other one. Good job. Yay, Jaden, high five. Say Jaden rocks. Jaden is awesome. Bye, people. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.